Why is this YouTube journey too hard? Dude, man, anything in life worth having is not easy. I mean, you gotta want it. You gotta have motivation, you gotta have discipline, you gotta be willing to go on the roller coaster of YouTube. You're gonna have ups, you're gonna have downs, but I'll tell you this. I've had a lot of ups and downs in the past almost 4 years I've been doing it, but where it's led me to, I will not trade it for the world. It is such a rewarding experience, and yeah, I would highly recommend that you guys stick it out if you're on this journey.
This is an analogy I use with my clients all the time. Do you think Usain Bolt pulled his trainers on the first day he decided to run and run a 5.9 out of nowhere without training? Do you think that all of that hard work of 15 years immediately blessed him with some kind of gift to be a giant cheetah, a giant gazelle that bounds across like the world? No, you've got to work at it. I'm on the best income now that I've ever had, right? But that was 9 years of kicking and screaming. That's one massively failed business. That was bankruptcy. That was learning. That was blood, sweat, tears. That was trying to make the rent for 3 years. It was 18, 19, 20-hour days. It was stress. It was migraines, right? Now, I rent my own office. I've got a house at home with my kids in, right? If you really love what you're doing, whatever you're doing, then you'll get there. Whether it's YouTube, whether it's Usain Bolt, right? You have to do the grind, because if everything was so easy, you wouldn't care about it enough to stick to it. It was like, oh, okay, that's another thing, right? So it's worth the time if you truly have the passion to do it. Then you'll have the skills at the end of it because you've gone through all the ups and downs in the first place.
Yeah.